Hello traders, and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in trading technology. Today, we're going to talk about trading US20 on Binance MT5. We will cover everything from what is US20 and how to trade it to some of its unique features and benefits. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on any valuable information. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our future videos. So let's dive right in. First, we need to understand what is USDT20 and how does it work. USDT20 is a type of tether, which is a popular cryptocurrency that is pegged to the US dollar. It is an TRC20 token on the Ethereum network. Each unit of USDT represents $1. However, unlike USDT18, which has a circulating supply of over $70 billion, USDT20 has a max supply of 100 million tokens. This makes USDT20 a much rarer and more valuable asset as there are simply fewer tokens in circulation. To purchase USDT20 on Binance, you need to have a Binance account and complete the KYC verification process. Once you have done that, navigate to the Binance website and select Trade. From the drop-down menu, select USDT20 and select the trading pair you want to trade with. For example, if you want to buy USDT20 with Bitcoin, select USDT20, BTC, click on the Buy USDT20 option and enter the amount of USDT20 you want to purchase. You can also set a limit order or a stop-loss order here. Click on the Preview Order button to see the order details and click on the Buy USDT20 button to execute the order. Now that you know how to buy USDT20 on Binance, it's time to explore some of its unique features and benefits. One of the main advantages of trading on Binance is the low fees. Binance is known for its low trading fees, and USDT20 is no exception. The platform charges a flat fee of 0.1% for all USDT20 trades, making it one of the most cost-effective ways to trade this asset. Additionally, Binance does not charge any deposit or withdrawal fees for USDT20, which is another way the platform stands out from other cryptocurrency exchanges. Another benefit of trading USDT20 on Binance is the high liquidity. As a relatively new token, USDT20 has high liquidity on Binance, meaning that you can easily buy and sell the asset without worrying about slippage. Slippage occurs when the price of a cryptocurrency moves significantly between the time you place an order and the time is executed. With high liquidity on Binance, you can be assured that your orders will be executed quickly and at the best available price. USDT20 on Binance is also a great option for traders who want to diversify their portfolios. As a relatively new and lesser-known token, USDT20 offers an opportunity for traders to explore a new market and potentially increase their profits. Additionally, USDT20 is a stable coin, meaning that its price is pegged to the US dollar, which provides a sense of stability and security for traders. However, it's important to keep in mind that, like with any other investment, there are also some risks involved in trading USDT20 on Binance. Since USDT20 is a new and relatively unknown token, it may be more volatile than more established cryptocurrencies. Additionally, as with any cryptocurrency investment, traders need to be aware of the potential for scams and market manipulation. It's important to do your own research and due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. In conclusion, USDT20 on Binance MT5 is a unique and potentially profitable investment opportunity for traders. With its low fees, high liquidity, and potential for growth, it's easy to see why this asset is gaining popularity among cryptocurrency investors. However, it's important to keep in mind the risks involved and to do your own research before investing. If you are interested in trading cryptocurrencies, then look no further than our channel. We provide real-time market analysis, trading tips, and tutorials to help you become a successful crypto trader. Our channel is the perfect place to start your journey in the world of cryptocurrency trading. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to subscribe to our channel and start trading today.